So y'all, it's your girl, the commercial chick, and I'm back with another video, an updated video on gold, a continuation of the last video. Okay, so I came here to show you how this gold trade played out based off of what I was analyzing in my last video. So the move played out perfectly from what I was explaining that I was looking for to happen. As you can recall on the last video, gold was back here, down here, and I was projecting that it was going to give me this retracement or pullback is what they call it, up into this area. As you can see, I still have this green, this is a ghost pattern, and I drew this before all of this happened. So that was my projection. And this is the actual market and what it did. And it went exactly where I said it was going. So I'm gonna back it up a little bit. This is trading view that I'm using, and if no one knows, you can do like a buy replay on trading view. So I'm gonna back the chart up to show you. This was looking like when I did that last video, and this is actually a ghost pattern. And I was just speaking the fact of I was expecting gold to give me a retracement somewhere in this area or up to this trend line. And I haven't seen my field, so let me draw the field back on that. I had a field like here and here. And like I said, I was stating that I then either come up in this area with 650 or they touch the trend line. You actually touch this trend line. So you need to replay the movement news here and give it to the scene. This is how the trade played out literally. I mean, this is how that fire. And then the market's closed, it ended up here. So that move happened. Now, basically, the market's open tomorrow on Sunday. So what I'm looking for is hopefully it might tap this line, like tap here or tap here, and then come back down. So I am looking for a sell. I'm expecting it to come down after it either finishes off a tap this line or tap this line. When the market opens on Sunday, I basically got to sit and wait and see what the candlesticks, what type of candlestick reaction that I'm going to get before I can enter this trade for the sell-off. And right now I'm currently on the 1 hour chart, but from this point I would take this chart down to the 15-minute, and as you can see, you have higher lows and higher highs. There is 4 minute and 15. And at this point, I need to see some rejection up here, like the candlestick started to give me some wicks and rejecting the upside and possibly starting to reverse before I can enter the trade to sell it back down. So this is the 15. If I go down to the 5, as you can see, I drew a trend line, an upward trend line on this 5 minute chart. It broke through it, which that's one good sign. And normally it'll retest the backside or but it hasn't broke structure yet. So in order for me to, like I said, get in this trade and sell it back down, I need a structure break on the smaller time frame. And once it breaks, I would like for it to retest the time frame. And that will let you know it's time to create lower highs and lower lows, and you could enter the trade or a sell at that point. So this red ghost pattern is the overall play that I'm expecting to play out if it gives me the change I'm looking for. So, and on a smaller time frame, let me see if I can do it. Well, you have to do it. Possibly. I want it to let it show. I need it. Well, I need it to do it. So that's a zone. Right now, this is that support because of the building zone. So I would like for this to break in my zone. It comes, if it come down, break through the zone, and then we take the back side of the zone and continue down. And at that point, you still put a baby field in this gut. If I see all of that, I'm just going to enter the trade and ride the trade back down, to this area. So basically, that's what I'm looking for. If it gives me the signs that's going to sell off, but like I said, it could possibly come and retest this area first and then drop. And as you can see, every time it came to this area, it fell out. Every time it came, it dropped. Every time it came, it dropped. Basically, this is a resistance area, and it's having a hard time to get through this area. So if it does touch here, it's a possibility that it could drop from there or touch the orange trend line, drop from there, or possibly stop it, reverse from there. So, let me look at the 1 minute. And normally it's not good to trade off for 1 minute, but it's very much showing much because yeah, it needed good structure first. But that's basically the play that I'm looking for and I'm going to be waiting for to catch the sale. So once again, like I said, the buy already paid out and then I'm going to be eyeing the sale. If it breaks above this zone and then retest the top side of the zone and give rejection, then it's going to continue to die up. But it hasn't done that yet. So we don't know until it gives you the signal that it's gonna continue to go up. So right now I'm banking myself. All right, once again, like I said, this is currency check. And we'll see what gold does this week coming up. All right, bye. Oh,